how can this thing kill you? I'll tell you. How can you keep this thing from killing you? I'll tell you. This is your air handler, and it sucks, meaning it's under negative air pressure. It's drawing all the air, and in this case, from the bottom into the unit, goes up into the supply plenum and then supplies the rest of the house with air. So this portion of the air handler is under negative pressure. It's drawing in air, okay? If it's located in the garage, it's also drawing in hot, moist, ambient air. It's drawing in fumes from gasoline cans that might be sitting by, any chemicals that you have stored near. And when you pull your cars in, well, all that carbon monoxide is getting drawn right into the system and distributed throughout your house. So let me provide a visual demonstration of exactly what that looks like. So I'm going to take my smoke pen here and watch how that system draws that smoke right in. Now that smoke represents the auto fumes, the gas cans that are sitting nearby, any chemicals that you have stored. The system readily pulls that in. You can see that. So even on penetrations, you can see how the smoke is readily pulled right into the cabinet. So now that you see how this box is under a negative pressure and it draws in air from everything that's around it. So how do you fix it? The answer is really easy. Tape. This particular tape is pressure sensitive, and it can be applied across all access panels, things like this. Now the penetrations get a little bit trickier. There's another tape for that. It's called cork tape, like a wine cork. It's double-sided and it's malleable, and I can take that and wrap it around penetrations and stuff it in there and make sure it's sealed tight. Now, this box no longer sucks everything around it and it can't kill you anymore. But it's really simple. We can all handle this. When it's all done, it looks something like this.